Right here.
What is up, guys? And today we're back with another Animal Company video. Come here, boys. So yeah,
I'm here.
this is what we got. So let's go. Oh, yo, Yellow, you need this. Yellow, you also need this. Yellow, you also need this.
What's our mission? Okay.
We're gonna go get some robots.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And just so you guys know, I have a Discord server, so yeah, join it and maybe you'll be able to get into some of my videos. I'll put it in the description. Because why not join my server? You get chances to be in a video. And like code pings and stuff. I don't know.
Let's go to the new map.
Let's go, go,
Yo,
go, go, go. Drive, drive, drive. He keeps hitting me. Stop hitting me, bro.
Okay. Oh. My pickaxe.
No.
Ow.
Woo.
I got you, bro. Yo, it's right there.
Slow down.
Okay. Guys, we ready?
Do you know the way?
Yeah, I know the way. Yeah, this way. This way, guys. No way! I found a Game Boy. If he gets red, don't go near him. No, stop, stop, stop. Don't touch him. Stop. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Don't touch him. No, stop, stop, stop. Stop, guys. Stop with the grapplers. Stop.
Stop it. Stop. I'll go kill you right here now and leave you. So what? Do we get our weapons to kill him and jump him?
He's blocking our path, bro.
So what? We kill him? That's it, boys. I said I'll wake you up and kill him.
Oh, guys, I found it. Over here.
Yeah, what's this way?
Where am
Never
I?
It's down here.
Oh,
Oh, my bad. It's down here.
salmon roe, pollock roe, as the wise Inamaki once said.
And then we have to go to the right. Go to the right.
Black our way.
Straight. There.
Hello? I don't see
Alright,
nobody.
most of us are down.
I don't know where you're at. Damn.
Alright, let's go.
I thought he was still in there.
Go press the one.
That was scary, bruh. Oh yeah, easy.
Just keep on moving. Wait, hold on. Wait before I kill you.
Oh my
He
god.
died.
I'm sorry, bro. We can't go back for you.
Yeah, bro. Oh, you could go. You could come with us.
Well, yeah, we'll take you with us.
Yeah, just take me.
Oh, I have. And where about me?
It's always straight down and then to the right. Okay, I will kill you.
Josie, do that for us, kill him.
No, bunny.
Alright, guys. Let's go.
Let us kill this monster.
Wait, no, no, no. Bro, you can't touch that.
Should I kill him, bro? He's just so annoying.
Oh no.
Fun.
All right, let's go. Don't touch the roof or the floor.
You should show your yellow. Do that one more time. You're dead.
No, he is dead.
Okay, I got you.
Thanks. Did the other guy die?
Yeah, he died.
No. We can't make it without him. Oh, he's still alive? Get over here.
Nobody on the water. Just slowly walk on him. Respawn!
No. He
You
respawned.
gotta go, Cloudy. Yeah, come on.
All right, bro. We'll get some stuff and then we'll come.
Come on.
Sorry. I don't have a light, so this way.
Isn't that
No,
way
it's
or-
this way. It's this way. Yo, I made it.
Three people. We needed 3 people.
I know.
So how are we gonna do this?
Well, just we'll get some brain matter, then we'll go back.
Some of these, you mean? Alright, you get this side.
Hey, man.
So I got you.
Put on it. I need some research.
Yeah, you can get research points from the brain matter.
What the heck?
I'm safe. Oh, I'm coming.
Why's everybody respawn?
No.
Put your graphic on this.
Did your body fall off?
No, it's still there. Oh my god. Yo, someone go to sleep.
See ya.
Alright, thanks. Wait, cause there's the other side over here.
I'm gonna go to sleep. Like,
Bye. You're ready to leave?
wait, not yet. Yeah.
I'm here. Yo, do you watch Jujutsu Kaisen?
No, why?
Because domain expansion, malevolent shrine.
No, but I'm still watching one of my other animes. I'm gonna, after my anime, I'm gonna go to it.
I just got swallowed.
Hi guys.
Yellow, we got the goods.
Okay. How y'all get the plug out?
Oh, we didn't. I'm saying we got brain matter.
We needed 3 people. What's that?
I just sold both of them. Don't worry, they're fine.
I don't know, we could do them.
I got 2K.
I got 11K.
I got 10K.
I thought you said you got 2K. And I was like, no,
I got 10K.
Yeah, I was about to say, no, you got 2K, bro.
I got 2K.
It's about to blow!
Oh, that's pretty good. How much money I got?
Alright, guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
Where are we going?
We're going back.
Hmm? What's that?
Are you ready, kids?
Yeah, the kids!
I didn't hear what you said.
I said, I am the kids.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
You ready, kids?
Are you still making
Aye, aye, Captain.
You're still making that video, bro?
Alright, we get 3 attempts and then I leave.
Bro.
Cause I gotta go to bed. It's like 10.
I'll wait out for the crowd.
It's 10:36 exactly.
Are you sure that you are a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
What's your YouTube channel?
Squid Kid 101. No spaces.
Squid Kid
101 and it has no spaces.
That's a good name, and less of a freaking goddamn long name that it's hard to spell. Because I had this one kid that said, oh, my username is Blue K Knight. Like Blue K, no, not Blue K Knight.
He said that his YouTube channel was named Huey.
Bro, you don't have to use it. I'm right here.
I am running.
Wait, guys, can someone let me a light? Yo, Blue, can I have that flashlight? Thanks, bro.
I have one right here.
I am running.
This
Wait,
way.
isn't it?
Salmon roll,
There's all
pollock
over
roll.
here. Guys. Yeah. It's down here.
He's red, he's red.
Yeah, it's definitely.
He's red, bro.
He's not red, he's liquid red.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Everybody win.
I made it. Did someone die?
Yeah, he died. There's no turning back.
I'm sorry, bro, there's no saving you.
Somebody come!
Don't go yet. Only wait for them people. Only wait
Guys,
for them.
YouTuber's dead.
No.
I'm joking, I'm right here. Get out of here.
Please do not die, Yellow.
Hello?
Alright, come
Yo!
on, move fast.
Alright, don't
I
die.
am running.
Don't touch the roof, don't touch the floor, don't touch the guys. Who did it?
Yellow.
I did it.
Ooh, my favorite arrow.
Alright, let's go. Yellow, don't hit the roof like that.
Or do not hit the monster, bro. Because then we.
Yeah. Don't hit the monster or the roof.
Yeah, come on.
Oh my god, Yellow.
I can't because I keep falling down.
Don't fall. Oh my god.
But I did it. But I have hit it.
Oh my god, just run.
I sold.
We're here. We're here. Go, 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 go.
Yes, finally.
Oh my god,
Yellow.
we made it.
Button.
Make sure you don't die to the cyst monsters. No.
Yeah, please revive me.
I got you.
Bonnie's all the way down there.
Stay at the plug, Yellow. Go to the plug, Yellow. I'll be there. Disturbing the peace.
I always come back.
I always come back. Thank you. But you're not actually drowning. Do you actually take that thing seriously?
Is that other person died?
Oh my god. Guys, I'm down. Guys, I'm down. YouTuber down.
All the way down?
Go res me. Yellow, stay there. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Alright, let's head out. Alright, let's get these robots and let's have a robot fight. Alright, please.
No, get an arrow.
Alright, let's do this.
Here, wait. Alright, thank you.
We're here. Finally. After so many tries. It's been so many tries, bro. No, let me get some. No, bro. I only got like 3. Thanks, bro.
There.
Oh,
There you
they
go.
got none.
That's for yellow.
Yo, this thing is sick. Oh, yo.
Not coming, master.
No, don't kill
I
me.
didn't get any.
Not coming, master.
Don't kill me.
Wait, I didn't get any. I didn't get none.
You didn't get any?
No, look. It's just I give them all to you.
He got one for you.
Activate them.
died.
I died.
How? Oh my god! No! Bro, why did you do that?
Oh my god, I died.
Wait, guys, it's all turned into robots. Give me another one. Give me another one.
Guys, I'm going in.
Wait.
Woo! And here we are. Yo, is that my body? Oh my god, it's me. Wait, no, are those all my robots?
Hi. Hi, dude. Dude!
Oh, how'd you die, bro?
Cause respawn.
Oh, that guy accidentally exploded you. Alright, well, we finally did it.
I got none.
Bye-bye. Animal company guy.
Yo,
Are you hitting my buddy?
I don't know.
No, I can't go back. No.
Why not?
No. I'll always love you, OG, man. Just know that.
We're okay, man.
We made it, Blue.
We made it.
I got my robots.
Alright, guys.
Stop it, dude. Put it back in there.
Alright, well, that was a successful video. We got 2 robots. So, bye-bye.